What's up guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to create tables in Microsoft Word. So I'm going to open up the Word application and then you click on blank document to create a new project. Now to insert a table, place a cursor wherever you want to insert that table. Then you click on insert tab and go to table. And then there are a couple of methods that you can use. I'm going to focus on three. So the first method here, you can simply specify the size of your table in terms of rows and columns. So as you hover towards right, that's to specify the size of your columns. Now downwards is to specify the size of or the number of rows. For example, I want a table of 4 rows and 6 columns. I'll just drag just like that and then click, and there you have your table. The second method is to simply specify by clicking on insert table. Here you can specify the number of columns by just typing, let's say 4 by, let's say we want 20, or we want 4 columns and 10 rows. And here you can set the auto fit behavior of your cells. Just like that, you click on enter. Let's just first of all just deal with how to create tables first, and then we can see how to add contents in the table. Now the third method is to simply draw. Just go to insert again and you click on draw table, and then you'll get this pencil icon. So you just drag like that. Now to add columns and rows, just drag like that. Those are columns. Say now we have our table like that, drawn by hand. Let me so if I want to delete a table, I want to delete table so that I can remain with one, so that you can see how to insert or how to insert content. Now if you want to delete the entire table, just click on this icon here, and then the moment you click on that, at the top here there will be 2 tabs that will be added. So you go to table layout and you click on delete table, or you can simply right click and delete table. And if I want to delete, for example, first of all, let me just, if you want to delete this last row or these 3 rows like right there, just highlight on it, and then go to tab layout, and then under delete, just select delete rows. If I want to delete this column, let's now use a different method. Let's use erase. Just go to place the cursor inside this table again for this tab to appear. Click on table layout, click on erase, and drag to delete. Now those two have been, that column has been removed. Now if I want to add another, say, row right here, I can just place there my cursor, and then you can simply right click and then add, right click there, and then where is it, there is add cell. Let me see in the Now you can add below. So under rows and columns, you can add below or you can add above. So you can also add a column, insert right, or you can insert left, just like that. So that's how you you delete, add, remove. You can also move this table around. If I want to place it there, if I want to move it at the bottom of this page, if I want to place it at the center here, you just move it. So you just click on this table handle and then you drag around, just like that. Now let's look at how to delete, how to add content on this table. I can resize this. Now first of all, let us increase the height, the row height of this table. Just select the entire table, go to table layout again, and then you click on properties. Now go to table layout, and then under cell size you can specify here the size by just increasing that or reducing, or you can simply just type the size of your cell like that. I want it 1. Now let's say I want this the first table to be, I want this one to be a header or just a name of this table. I'm going to highlight everything and go to, and then right click and click on merge cells. Also here you can, let's say call this one, first of all you can increase the size, and let's call this one coordinates. Then this one call it station, and here height. So I'm going to insert another line here so that you can have so I'll go to tab and then click on draw table so that I can have draw that. Like that, and then escape, and we can simply call this UTM, for example. Cassini, and we can introduce another line here. Then escape. So now you can call this nothing easting, nothing easting. So let's now format all this table text. I'm just showing you how to deal with this, how to insert data inside the table that we just created. Now I can select that, go to home tab and make this uppercase by clicking on change case and then uppercase. You can increase or change the font, and this one let's say 18, around 18. Also, we can vertically align this text by going to go to alignment, then you select on align center, like that. The same case, we can do the same thing. Let's align all the text, and then these ones, I want them left aligned, like that. Now the text for these ones, I want to select this and make that text to 14, also bold. You can also select that, increase to 14, and also bold, like that. Now let's make shading for this. Highlight this and go to table design, and let's do shading. I'm going to do this like that, and also shading, but this time round I want green, like that. So there you can just play around with all this, and then there you have your table. So there's so different ways you can do or play around with the text inside the table. And so basically that's how you insert or create tables inside Microsoft Word. And that's all for today. See you in the next one.